This is Mark Grazier with the Low Power Wireless Business Unit of Texas Instruments. We're here today with Serafin Arroyo from TSB, and we're at the Munich Developers Conference where we're introducing a lot of new third-party product technology incorporating ZigBee. Serafin, we're very excited to have you as part of the ZigBee Developer Network, and you've got some exciting new products. Could you basically show us, what the product is, first of all from the technology, and then we can discuss the specific application that you're doing.
Okay. Thank you very much to Texas for this opportunity to be here with them in the fourth conference in Europe. And actually we have worked with Texas many years before because we think Texas is a good partner for us. And we are a company that we are focused more in the health sector and also in the well-being sector. Actually we use the Texas Instrument modules for basically two main applications. One of these is using location identification and tracking capabilities of the module. We are using the CC2430, because we are migrating now to 2530. Basically it is based on this kind of bracelets that we can put to the patients, and then we can locate and identify the patients in the hospital on real time. Based on that, we can make a lot of applications for medical professionals, and also very important for the manager of the hospital. Also, based on the same module, we have an application for children that we use in the summer camps, and then the monitor or person in charge of the group can monitor and have under control the whole group of the children.
Great. So, Serafin, can you show us what the bracelet looks like? And it looks like a very small form factor. Were you able to put it all in one piece of
Actually, this is the bracelet, and you see what is inside. It's just this small piece. This is the typical 2430 with a button battery. The long life for this battery is more than 1 year, actually. And the good thing is this bracelet is prepared to, for example, be waterproof. It's very important. Also, you can clean in medical processes, and then you can reuse very easily.
Great. So, as far as tracking children, can you just describe the application a little bit further in that?
Yeah.
Is this for basically just one child, or is it many children?
It's many.
Yeah.
Actually, we have a PDA, that is used by the person in charge, and then you can see here all the functions that you have for that. For example, you can make a roll call to see if all the children are around you. You can have a group of 20, 30, all children that you like. Maybe you can have 100. And then you can see if all the children are here. For example, at this moment we have here only 3 children registered, and then we can automatically check if all of them are here. And then you can see they are in green because they are around the monitor. In this case is me, and then this one, and also there are other around the table. Also, for example, you can go to identification, and then you can find the info data of each child that is now wearing the bracelet. At this moment, for example, you see these are the 3 child, and if we approach, then we will receive the information of which child has this bracelet in this moment.
And what is the range on there from the PDA to the bracelet?
Actually, we are estimating around between 15 and 25 meters. Of course, it depends on the walls, it depends on the conditions, because we are using the 2.4 gigahertz, and then of course affected by the water. This is the body, the mainly component is the water, but basically we are in between 15 and 25 meters.
Great. And where do you see taking this technology beyond child tracking? Can you describe some other applications that you're working on?
Well, for example, now in the new research, we are now installing the SPHERA hospital. This is the installation for the hospital. But looking forward, we are also looking on residence for elderly people, where we will have this kind of bracelets for the elderly people, and then you can control these people. Also, we have discussed this kind of house monitor by residents. Then people could stay longer at home, and they don't need to go to a residence because they are already monitored. One thing that we also are incorporating now is the ZigBee that had the capability to have medical devices. As you know, it was selected by Continuum, and the idea is to reuse the same network to incorporate medical device, and then you can monitor and you can identify at the same time. Then you can you can avoid a lot of mistakes on identification of the patients.
So besides tracking for elderly care, what other type of sensors are you thinking about incorporating? Is it possible to monitor their physical health, for example, their heart rate or other things like that in the future?
Yeah, the idea is that, because it's ZigBee, the idea is to have a central point that would be the ZigBee, could be this bracelet, could be another thing, where you receive all from these medical devices that are also ZigBee, you receive these measurements, and then you transmit to the central server. Actually, we have a project already that we are making this that incorporate directly to the health records from the patient, and then it's very easy for the hospital to manage all the information with just the same network.
Wow, really sounds like exciting technology.
Thank you very much.